Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Kona with a key. First, locate your key fob and extend the mechanical key from inside it. Most Hyundai key fobs have a small release button, often on the side or back. Press this button firmly, and the metal key will pop out or slide out. Make sure the key is fully extended and locked into place, ready for the next step. This is essential for manual entry if your remote isn't working. Now, walk over to the driver's side door of your Hyundai Kona. The keyhole isn't always immediately obvious on modern vehicles. On many Kona models, it's cleverly hidden. Look closely at the end of the door handle or sometimes on the underside. You'll likely find a small plastic cap or cover. This piece is designed to blend in, so take a moment to locate it before proceeding to the next step. Once you've found the small cap, gently pry it off. You might use the tip of your mechanical key or a small, flat object, being careful not to scratch the paint. With the keyhole exposed, insert your mechanical key all the way in. Now, turn the key firmly clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the door's locking mechanism has disengaged. The door is now unlocked and ready to open. With the door unlocked, simply pull the handle and open the driver's side door. Get into your Kona and close the door firmly. To start the vehicle, even if your key fob battery is completely dead, place the entire key fob into the designated slot, usually found in the center console or near the steering column. If there isn't a slot, hold the fob directly against the start button. Then, press the start button as you normally would, and your Kona should power on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.